What is that? Okay, I am at the hair salon, about to get my hair done. What do you have planned for me today?
I was thinking a super hydrating hair mask.
Ooh, I love that idea. My hair's been a little dry recently.
I mean, I don't think so, but I think it'll do some good. You
Cool.
never know.
Let's do it.
This mask is gonna leave your hair silky smooth.
Okay, I'm ready.
You all ready to go?
Yes, please.
I'm just gonna wet your hair, okay?
Okay.
Your hair is gonna look so smooth afterwards.
Thank you. I hope it's super shiny.
Oh, it's gonna be looking like a mirror.
Is it supposed to be burning? It just
Do you mean
like,
tingling or?
Yeah, well, I don't know, it's just kind of like stinging. Do you mind like washing it out?
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, I feel like maybe I'm having an allergic reaction or something.
Let's get that out then.
Okay, thank you. I don't know why it was burning so much, it's so strange. What is that? Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, is that my hair?
Caryn, that's a lot of hair.
What the heck? Wait, why is my hair coming off? Hello? Where are you going? Oh my gosh!
Caryn, are you okay?
What?
I'm so sorry. We can figure this out.
Hello? Hello, Ellie? Open the door, this isn't funny.